Hi everyone, I'm Neba Evans.
I'm Prentice Dupins Jr.
And we're here at the Arkansas PBS Studios.
Let's jump right into what's happening here this July.
Now that kids are out of school for the summer, start their mornings off right with summer learning they're sure to love. Rise and Shine is back with a super duper math camp, Blueberries Clubhouse, and virtual community field trips throughout the state, including the Amazium, Old State House Museum, and the newly opened Arkansas Museum of Fine Arts, just to name a few. Tune in Tuesday through Thursday at 8:30 a.m. for 2 hours of learning fun. It all starts July 18th.
And we take the learning off screen too with our super duper math power packet specially designed for kindergarten to 5th graders. It's written in both English and Spanish and will be mailed directly to your home along with the bonus educational goodie bag. Visit the Arkansas PBS website to sign up now.
That's not all we have in the works for our young friends. We're currently filming an all-new show coming to schools and screens this fall. It's called The Mystery League. And the Mystery League follows the adventures of 3 friends solving the never-ending mysteries of their Arkansas town. We'll keep you in the loop and let you know when to tune in.
We also have some new mental health resources available to families. Arkansas Ideas in our educational division has developed new suicide resources to help identify when kids are feeling overwhelmed by the pressures of life. If you're a friend, family member, or caregiver of a young person that is struggling, visit our website to explore these suicide awareness and prevention resources.
On the national PBS schedule, don't forget to tune in to Southern Storytellers premiering nationally on July 18th. This 3-part documentary series by filmmaker Craig Renault celebrates Southern identity with contemporary creators of literature, music, television, and film. Keep an eye out for several well-known Arkansans too. You can watch anytime starting July 18th with the PBS app or on our website.
And there's still time to get last-minute tickets to the August 5th and 6th taping of our brand new show, Arkansas Treasures. Visit our website to find out how to register to bring 2 collectible items and find out if they're worth any money. Then, look for the premiere coming this fall. You could be on Arkansas PBS.
That's a wrap for now. Thanks for hanging out with us, and make sure to connect via social media. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube.
We appreciate every single one of you. We wouldn't be here without our Arkansas PBS community. Bye for now.
Bye.